this really what we want? Every year, thousands of gallons of pesticides are being used in farming under the false assumption that it's not affecting us. The World Health Organization estimates that there are 3 million cases of pesticide poisoning each year and up to 220,000 deaths. Children are particularly vulnerable to the harmful effects of pesticides. Even very low levels of exposure during development may have adverse health effects. But there is no doubt that pesticides use also help us by giving higher yields. And so, we must ask ourselves, are higher yields and larger income worth the health of so many people?